So let's see how you can learn with Weblearn as a student. So log in with your student account, and then if you have not completed your profile, you'll be asked to do so for the first time. So just go ahead and then complete your profile information by selecting your class, date of birth, gender, and other few details, and then click on save to save your profile information. You can also add multiple contacts to your profile. So now, after updating your profile, just head to the classroom if you want to learn, and then select the semester and the courses that have been assigned to you for that semester. So you can scroll through a variety of courses, and then for each course, the topics uploaded by the tutor will be available to you. For each topic too, you can click on the open to open the attachment or the learning materials for that particular topic. Clicking on open will just open any of the learning materials. So this is a PowerPoint that has been uploaded by the tutor, so you can just scroll through. Also, beneath the PowerPoint, you can ask questions. There's a tab where you can type any question that you have concerning the particular material that you are using, and then click on the send to send up the question to the tutor or the discussion room. So you can select, go through all the various courses, and then even see your fellow colleagues who have also accessed the same material by clicking on the counter, the view counter over there. So this is another PowerPoint material that you can just click, but this system works directly on all devices, so you can use it on phone, on any device at all, because it's a web app and you don't need to install anything to access any of the materials. So you can also go to discussion room where your questions and other information will be answered and discussed by your colleagues or your tutor. So you go there, you see other discussions that is going on, and then you can also contribute your knowledge to any of the questions that have been raised in the discussion room, or also reply to other questions that have been directed to you by your tutor. So here I'm just saying that I'm sure that it's for testing purposes and not to be submitted. That's a question asked by one student, so I'm just replying. So if you're using a mobile phone, you also get a very nice mobile ready interface which adapts to the mobile phone very well. So this is a mobile view of the same application, and you can view the PowerPoint and everything in the same manner as someone using a full desktop or a laptop computer. Click on the quiz or exams to go to the assessment page. Any list or any quiz that you see in your assessment table which is still open means that you can participate in that particular quiz. You can see the quiz or assessment information, whether it's MCQ and the time and all those stuff. Click on the results without writing it, will inform you that you have to now take part in the results in the assessment. So you click on start, and then the assessment loads. Details of the assessment and the timer is also set up, but then to start the quiz you have to click on the start quiz button, which gives you an exams alert where it informs about the terms and of the exams. Click on understand when you're ready, and then the first question will pop up. So you read it, and then you select an answer from the list or from the list of answers provided. You can also flag the question and click on next to show the next question. You read it, and then you pick an answer, then you go to next, and the next question will pop up. Every single question answered turns green. If you skip an answer, it will remain blue, or you can flag it and skip it and come back to it later. So I've skipped just one question right now, and I'll select any answer for this question and then move to the next one. I read it to understand it, then I'll pick an answer, then move on. So at this point in time, I can change from all to flagged. This will show me all flagged questions instantly. I can click on any of the flag question and maybe make changes to my answer because I wasn't sure. I can click on the flag again to unflag it. Once it turns gray, I mean it's not flagged anymore. Then I'll go to next, and then I can. Right now I see that only one flag question is left. I'll pick that one too, and then pick an answer and unflag it so that all the flag is gone. So at this point in time, I don't have any flagged question. I can still go through the previous answers that I provided if I want to make any changes. I can switch to all to show all the answers. Now all the answers turn green because I've attempted all the questions. So It's also how it shows on a mobile device. So if you're on your phone, you still get a very nice, decent view of the same questions. You can also do all the flagging and everything that can be done on a desktop in the mobile app as well. So you can make changes as long as the time is not up. You can go back and forth with your questions, but the moment the time is up, you cannot do anything. It will just prompt you and submit the answers that you provided. So now all questions are green. I've answered everything. I have 2 minutes more left. If I really want, I can just wait, or I can just submit if I think that's all I want to do by clicking on submit button, which automatically runs through and then submits everything for me. Then instantly it marks it and it tells me what my score is. But then to view the details as to which questions I had wrong and which ones I had right, I click on details, which it just shows me which part that I had right and those that I had wrong. But it's not all the time that you can do that. When the question is not open for viewing of results, click on the results or details will not bring up the results of the quiz. So when you click on the results, you can see the results, but if it's not allowed, that means that you will not be able to see it until the tutor allows it.